All right, we're day 3 now on the roof project. We didn't have any rain last night, so that was good. Now I went up here with the blower and blew a lot of this shingles off and revealed some more rotten wood. So we're gonna have to keep going with the plywood, some back there too, and keep removing these shingles. Okay, moving up the roof here, we see a little bit more of this rotting wood coming out. So actually this area, and then maybe that whole one more board, and then the rest is fine, hopefully. Okay, just fitted that one last piece there. I decided that it was too old and rotten to actually reuse the old plank. So everything's screwed in. I've walked around this roof. I didn't feel any more soft spots, so I'm hoping we can just continue on with the project from here without having to tear off any more roof. There is one more spot down here I gotta fix at the edge. Okay, this morning I'm working on, I filled in a patch down there at the end by the ladder, and then I made this patch here to make this hole smaller, and we're gonna mount this vent on there that I picked up at the store. So what I'm going to do is screw that on here on the boards for support, and then use this support. Okay, so I'm installing some of these fascia boards here. I got a little extra to do here on the end of the fascia, and then I'm going to have to build some kind of supports so I can mount some fascia board along that side. But as soon as we get this done, I can start nailing on the new drip edge right there. Okay, so I had some white paint laying around. I went ahead and painted one of these for tomorrow. We'll put it up in that whole area right there. And then just a little edge here that I gotta fill in for that fascia board. The rest of this I've painted white. So by tomorrow, I should be dry enough to where I can just lay that drip edge over that whole corner there nail that down, and then as soon as that's on, we can lay that underlayment tomorrow and start putting the boards over it. So yeah, this is starting to move along fast. I spent a lot of hours cleaning. That was a big job, keeping everything clean. Got rid of all the debris, and so yeah, a lot of little details, but tomorrow should be a big day.